Good morning, my little stars. Wow, toy explosion.
Look, Mom! I'm giving my doll a new dress. My race car needs a garage right here. Vroom!
So, what do we do when playtime is over?
We clean up and put things away.
Exactly. A tidy room makes our hearts feel happy.
Ooh! What's the special idea, Mom?
Some kids don't have toys, so we can share.
You mean give toys to children who need them?
Yes, sweetie. Sharing is a beautiful kind of love.
I'll give my old red car. Still super fast. I can share this doll. She's still so pretty.
Wonderful! Let's pick the nicest toys together.
These storybooks look almost new. I'll stack them. Blocks are perfect. They can build giant castles.
Teamwork makes it fun, and everything stays tidy.
I feel a tiny sad, but also kind of happy. Okay, box is getting full. What's next?
This doll and this car are in perfect condition.
I took good care of her. I hope she makes smiles. Blocks going in! Castle builders will love this!
Whoa! This box is bigger than my snack appetite.
They chose the nicest toys. I'm so proud.
Okay, team, I'm the Chief Box Commander now.
Dad, I can tape it! I'm super careful! I'll put a cute sticker so it feels special. Careful, Dad! Turn left. My toys are precious.
Slow steps, sweetheart. We've got this together.
I'm ready! Let's make someone's day brighter!
Delivery mission begins. Box, meet trunk. Perfect fit. I should pack sandwiches next.
Remember, today we share with kind hearts and smiles.
Seatbelt on! Can we go super fast safely?
Safely fast. Like a happy turtle with a jet.
Let's bring joy one toy at a time.
I'm nervous, but in a good, brave way.
Okay, team. Sunshine home. Here we are.
Look how bright and happy it feels here.
Wow! I see kids playing. Can we say hello?
Welcome, dear friends. We're so happy you came. We brought toys to share. Our kids picked them.
Whew. Box delivery complete. My muscles say thank you.
May we play with the kids here, please?
Of course, new friends make every day brighter.
Hey, come play with us!
Hey, buddy. This car is for you. It's super fast.
Really?
For me? Thank you! Thank you!
Lily, this doll has beautiful hair, just like you.
I love her! You are so kind, thank you!
These gifts will bring so much joy. Thank you.
Look at those smiles. This is the best kind of treasure.
Let's build something huge, like a rocket tower. Careful, steady, yes! Team builders rule!
Catch me if you can, Lily. I'm speedy today. I'm right behind you. I'm the Giggle Runner.
See? Kindness makes friends so quickly.
This feels like the happiest playground ever.
Your visit makes our courtyard glow with joy.
Vroom! This car is my new best friend. Come on, Max. Let's build the tallest tower.
Yay! Let's play together. Everyone's invited.
Whoa! It's taller than me! High five, Max!
Cheer!
One more block, and boom! Tower champion!
Mia, your doll's hair is so shiny, like sunshine. Let's take turns brushing, sharing even while we play.
Money can't buy this kind of happy moment.
I'm going to share this with my friend too. Go, go!
Ready, set, go! Friends can race together! Let's clap a friendship beat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, yay, yay! That's our happy beat! Whoa! Team hands! We saved the tower!
They mix so naturally. This is real learning.
This is happiness you can't put in a pocket.
Kids, it's almost time to say goodbye today.
So soon? But I just made a new friend.
Max, you're my best buddy now. Promise.
We'll come back soon. Pinky promise?
Pinky promise. I'm coming next time for sure. Bye-bye. Please come again. We love you.
We'll miss you! Take care of our toys!
Thank you for welcoming us. We'll visit again.
You're always welcome here, dear family.
Goodbye, Lily. See you very soon.
Come back soon! We'll build again!
My heart feels warm and kind of full.
Tell me, sweetheart, what are you thinking?
When I played, I forgot differences. They're like me.
That's the lesson. Everyone is equal, just different chances.
I won't throw toys again. I'll save old ones to share.
Kindness matters most. I'm proud of you both.
Toys aren't just toys. They can carry love.
Let's visit every month. Deal. Family team?
Deal! We're the sharing team!
Home again with bigger hearts.
I feel peaceful. Like my smile grew bigger.
Sharing is my new superpower. Whoosh!
How do you feel now, my angels?
I feel peaceful, Mom. Can we go back soon?
Sharing is the best superpower.